Natalie for A Cherry on Top, and I just got back from a fun crafty retreat, and I had this lovely little package wait for me. This is the summer 2025 cherry box, so I thought that I would unwrap it with you and let you see. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm so excited about it. Like, this one is cute, y'all. Cute and full of goodies. I love it. I love it so much. All right. Well, I don't even know where to begin. Let's see. Set those aside. Let's open this. Excuse the loud noise. Looks like this one is a lot of simple stories. And then they always do a really great job of like mixing and matching. So they'll throw in other manufacturers and companies and products that match and mix. I love me some simple stories. And I love summer. It has been oddly chilly, not too hot yet. Let me zoom out just a little. So, you know, I'm ready. I'm in the summer mood. We're going on our first summer trip soon, so. Okay. Let's start by looking at this flip book. I just did a 4x6 flip book on the Cherry blog the other day, but this one is a 6x8. So it's the same concept. Here, let me open it for you. I love this yellow color. It is so cute. I'm not sure if everyone's has yellow or if it just depends. I think any like bright summery color will be amazing, but I love this. So the covers are kind of chipboard, not chipboard, maybe just more like cardboard, but they're perfect for embellishing. You could put vinyl on this. You can hot glue things. You can just like put really strong tape on them and embellish them in lots of fun ways. But then they have these little, like, I don't know what you call it. These are how it binds. So it's 2 holes. And so you can fill it with, you don't have to use a page protector. You could just do an outside of the page protector-ish thing. Or you can have a full size. So that's a 6x8 size page protector. Or you can do 2 4x6s. Or you can do 4 3x4s. Or 2 3x4s and a 4x6. All kinds of options. I like to mix and match. Do some in the page protector, some outside of the page protector. So many cute options. So I think that will be super fun to document something that we do this summer. And so the Simple Stories collection is summer snapshots. So real quick, let's look in the 6x8 paper pad because it's a perfect size, right? Because it's 6x8 and goes with the 6x8. I don't know about you. I don't know what this says about me, but I always like flip through a book or a magazine from the back. So that's what we're doing. This is a fun little paper. Stripes, but a different take on them. And I love their paper pads because they have lots of cut aparts in them, which are perfect for the snap albums, right? So just lots of really good summer themes. We got some seashells, we got some watermelon, we got some seagulls. I love that. Popsicles. Hi. Oh, I love this coral ledger. It's nice. Oh, ice cream is so cute. Orange with florals. You are the sun. You are sunshine and happiness. Oh, I love this stripe. Oh, I love that. That's a good stripe. Beach balls, clouds or waves, depending on how you have that paper situated. Some of their pages already have like scenes on them, so you could build a page like pretty quickly. Watermelon and lemons. Some more ledger. Some cameras. That's cute, kind of like Pantone colors. Got some good polka dots, more florals. I love that stripe. Very thin little stripes. More popsicles, some checkerboard, and a picnic table. Super cute. And then we're starting over again. Love it. Super, super cute. And so this, let's see. Looks like you have the 12x12 collection in there as well, maybe. So you got the summer snapshots. Sticker sheet, which they are very good about having a good size, and their sizes are pretty wonderful for a smaller size album, like a 6x8 like we got going on here. This is adorable. I love this trucker hat, lots of flip-flops, just summer things, right? Okay, and then we have this green paper and the orange floral and the ledger and a white polka dot, and then a similar polka dot on navy, which I love. Got the beach balls, got the seagulls. I don't know why this cracked me up. Ooh, we got a good cut apart sheet. Good times and tan lines. Hello there, sunshine. A porch swing. Love this. We got some checkerboard and the ice cream. I like how the ice creams overlap. I like that a lot. We have tags and more tags. Bring on the summer. I got a little short shorts. Love it. I was made for sunny days, only when I'm not working though, because I have FOMO. Watermelon, that's the way. And then some 4x6, because we have some 4x6 pockets in there, right? And that's super cute skinny stripe again. I really like that a lot. And then some smaller cut aparts. Woo, a furnace. We got smaller cut aparts here, and then some 4x4s, which I struggle to use, honestly, if I'm going to be real honest with you. But that's okay, because you got that cute stripe on the other side, which I would not struggle to use. Guys, this box has so much stuff. So if there are extras after they've sent out all the subscriptions, then they will put these on sale, but I'm not sure. But I'm going to show you how to use it. But if you think this box is amazing, I need you to know that it was $50, and that includes shipping domestic for US. And it has all these products, and they are such like way more than $50 worth of products. Okay. So if you're looking at this and you are looking at it longingly, then you need to subscribe so you can be up and have it the next time and not miss out. And hopefully, fingers crossed for you, if you don't have it, that they'll have more left over. So it also comes with the chipboard stickers from the Summer Snapshots collection, which is a 12x6 sheet. Oh, so many goodies, right? Okay, so we get the Summer Snapshots stencil, which is cameras. Love it, love it. A little bit retro, I feel like, a retro vibe. You have the decorative brads, which are not brads, right? They're sticky, but they're super fun. And then you also get some chipboard pieces down here. A soda, that cute little swing, and that has a hole in it, so you can treat it like a tag. All right, and then let's turn this over. If you've watched my unboxings and any of my videos using Simple Stories, you know I am a sucker for bits and pieces. I think they're the perfect little cutie size. And I just love to use them. And I just feel like their illustrations are always so good too. So we have Summer Snapshots. We got that porch swing. Yeah, girl. I don't even have a porch swing. I need one. We actually removed the rails on our porch this year, so I'm wondering if I could fit one on there now. But we have an awesome back deck too. And I was sitting out there because, like I said, it hasn't been hot. I was sitting out there last night watching the rain. We got a cute picnic table. We have some words. They're also a really good mix of icons and not too many words, which I really always appreciate, because I'm always on the look for more icons. I feel like you don't want your eye competing for too many words all over the page. So, so the icons are important. Got that single again. Oh, I love it when I want a whole package of things like this. I've had these in other collections from them. The Mix and Mingle comes to mind. Hello, Simple Stories. If you're listening, give me a whole package of just these little goodies, like banner pieces and things. Thank you. Please and thank you. I love these. The pieces of clothing, though, super cute. We got some florals. We got some cutie little sandals. We got food and a hat, sunglasses, pickleball paddle. Love it. We love some good pickleball. Cute roller skates. You got your bathing suits and towels on the line, soaking in the rays for days. I really like that overlap of how it does that with the ice cream, and it did that on those letters. I really love that. We got lemonade stuff. You have a bigger piece, so I see what I mean about the sizing. Like, everything is a reasonable size, but you still get those big pieces, because every once in a while you do want a big piece, but they just don't fill it up too much. And that's so perfect for a title page or something, or just a big dramatic statement piece. I love that little layout chair. This is the life. Get your picnic basket and your grill and your sandcastle tools and your boom box. Literally everything for a perfect summer. Yes, lawn chair. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. Not gonna worry about putting it back so we can get through this video. All right, so outside of the Simple Story things, you have here the Dina Wakley mixed media assorted tags. White tags for mixed media includes 5 each of size 3 and 5. So it looks like you have the smaller size and the big size. So perfect for pockets, perfect for flip outs and pull outs and things like that. When I make a mini album, I love it to be interactive. It's so fun to be interactive. So I will be using those for sure. These are cupped sequins. These are from Cousin DIY, and they are like a silver kaleidoscope situation going on. Love those. Those are super fun. Let's see what else. We still have more Simple Stories. We have the Simple Stories Summer Snapshots Washi, and it comes in different sizes, which I really appreciate. So that'll be fun. That would be really fun to cover up the binding on this. Ooh, I think I've seen people do it on the inside too, on the inside binding. Or to reinforce, if you do outside the page protector, or even if you're using the page protector, put it around your page protector so you have like this extra like pop of color. But even if you're doing outside the page protector, put it on the edge, so where you poke your holes, it'll be like extra reinforced, and you'll have that extra pop of color. Love that. Okay, so this is super fun. This is also Dina Wakley, and it is the gloss paint. I've had some of this before. I'm gonna have to play with it again with the mixed media tags. The thing about this is you can't be impatient. You have to wait for it to dry, and it's supposed to be glossy, so you don't really want to use your heat gun on it, because I think that will change it from the intended like finish. So I have like a fluorescent yellow color. I think I have a different hot pink color too. So I might pull those out to play along with this one. But I've seen her, just like put it on the glass mat and just like swipe stuff through it and then stamp on top and stuff like that. I think we can have some fun with it. And then lastly, this is super fun. This is a friendship bracelet kit. Mosaic Create and Share Friendship, 200 pieces, makes 8 bracelets. This is by Cousin as well. I love these beads. These are so cute. I'm going to tell you, my first thought is not about making bracelets though. My first thought is that I'm using these to make chains, like little trinkets and things to go on the binding. I'm using this to put a charm. That's the word I'm thinking. Charm, and I'm going to beat it up and probably combine it with some of these somehow and make a charm for the outside, so when it's setting on my bookshelf, you can see this cute little charm. And if you know me, I like a chunky album, so I'm gonna expand this. That's the beauty of these, is that you can really expand them to be super big. I'm not a big fan of post-bound albums, and this is similar to post-bound, but when it's a mini album, it's different. And so I learned this trick from Just for Material on Top, but she also puts foam tape in between these so that we don't compress the page protectors too much, and then it's like fat on this side and then skinny over here, so we kind of get an even thing. And then you got a good chunky mini album, and then you can let your charm and your beads hang down. They're so cute. Here, let's open them real quick. Oh, it comes with twine too. I love that. But you got some clear. I love these hot pink ones. These are fun. Turquoise and orange. These are almost like a matte color. Those are super fun. Love those. All right. So I try to keep it quick, but how good is this cherry box, right? Like, so good. So if you don't have one yet, fingers crossed for you that they still have some and they can release them. But I wouldn't wait on that every month. I'm going to link down below with my affiliate link if you would like to subscribe, to make sure that next time you don't miss out, because not even that I'm ready to talk about this, but next cherry box will be for the fall. We're not there yet. We're just barely getting into summer, but that will be the one that you subscribe to. If you subscribe now, will be for the fall. And it is such a good deal. You get so much stuff, and it's always a very well curated, very good kit of new products too. So let me know if you have any questions down below. I'll drop my links in there, and then I will definitely respond to your questions if you have any. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.